we are losing Burlington. And this time, you look at the pictures, okay? Look at the picture. What do you see? What do you see, Juan? What do you see? Juan, what do you see?
I see the calendar.
Okay, what is in the calendar?
The calendar is for a month. January, February, March, April, May,
May?
June, or January, July, August, September, October,
January. Okay.
November,
okay.
December.
All right. Juan, repeat, huh? Okay, yeah. Listen and repeat. January.
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 February.
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 March.
March.
April.
April.
May.
May.
June.
June.
July.
July.
August.
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 September.
September.
October.
October.
November.
November.
December.
December.
Okay, here.
March.
Okay, all right. March is the third month of the year. Okay, March is the third month of the year. You have to remember that. And this is, you call this calendar. This is a calendar.
A calendar, yeah.
This is a calendar. And here you'll see this, all right? You see in November.
Yeah, birthday.
All right. When do you celebrate your birthday? So it's
my birthday is 6th July.
What is your birthday? July. Okay.
6th July, yeah.
Okay. And here is Thanksgiving Day. All right.
It's Thanksgiving Day, yeah.
When is Thanksgiving Day?
24 November, Thanksgiving Day.
Okay. So you have this calendar. So the important dates in your life, you have to what? You have to know. When is your birthday? When is your anniversary? Your wedding anniversary, all right?
Okay.
Right? You have to remember the important dates in your life, especially your birthday. The birthday of your wife, your birthday, not only your birthday, but also the birthday of your loved ones, your parents, your sisters. So those are the important dates, okay? Like for example, this, December. Okay, Christmas is coming.
Birthday.
December what? December 25. Okay?
December 24th, Christmas Day.
No, December 24 is not yet Christmas Day. We have the Noche Buena on the 24th at 12 o'clock, and that's the start of Christmas. December 25, not 24. Okay, when the clock starts.
Why you changing the day?
Why? You are the one changing the day.
No.
December 25 is Christmas. If it strikes at 12 o'clock midnight, that is December 25, not December 24, okay? All right? If December 25,
all right.
Okay, strikes at 12 midnight.
Okay.
Okay? Not PM, that is AM already.
Okay.
Okay, 12 AM,
so
the PM is different from what? Okay, so don't change.
I don't know, but I see.
Don't change the birth of Jesus Christ, okay? The birth of Jesus Christ is December 25, not December 24.
Okay.
Right? Don't change it, okay?
Okay.
All right, your birthday, you're going to change your birthday.
Okay, teacher. Good night. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye. March, you have there. And this is calendar. Okay, how many months are there in a year? 1.
12.
12 months.
Name them.
It's 12 months, teacher.
Okay, so name them.
January, February,
March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
How many days are there in January?
31.
You have
This
to
is
know.
my birthday, January 31.
Okay.
365 days.
So you need to know how to use there are, huh? There is and there are, alright? These are the things that you have to use. There is, there are. There are 31 days in January, okay? Alright, okay. Alright, clear that. I'll clear all my drawings. Clear all drawings. Okay. Okay. So, what is the first month of the year, Juan? Juan Bolivar.
Sorry,
Okay.
teacher, what? What you say?
I don't know.
Can you repeat? Repeat
I
it.
forgot. Okay, listen and repeat.
January,
January.
Okay, not you. Okay, stop. Juan.
February,
Just listen.
February.
February,
February.
February.
No,
March,
Juan, stop.
March,
March.
Okay.
You
April,
just listen.
April.
Okay.
May,
Thank you.
May.
June,
June.
July,
July.
August,
August.
September,
September.
October,
October.
November, December,
Yes.
All right. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Claudia.
January,
Claudia.
January,
Next.
January,
Then. What is next to January?
January,
What is next to January? What month? January. What is next to January?
1,
Here. This.
1, January, 1,
February.
February,
Okay. The months of the year is January,
January,
February,
February,
March,
March,
Okay. Now do it again. January. Start from January. Claudia.
January,
Next.
February, March,
Next.
April,
April.
April, May,
May.
May, June,
Mhm.
July,
Mhm.
August,
August.
August,
Not August. August.
August,
Okay. Here. Listen.
September,
August,
August.
August,
August,
Mhm.
August, September,
Mhm.
October,
Mhm.
November, December.
Okay. All right. So these are the days and the months. So you know the days of the week are Monday, are Sunday up to Saturday, and the months are from January up to December. Okay. All right. Monica, recite the months of the year. January.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
All right, Francesca.
Okay. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Okay, Jelani.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Okay, Silvana.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Okay. Arnold po.
January, February, March, April, May,
May.
June, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Okay. December, not December. December.
December.
Okay, Juan?
December.
Juan? Where are you, Juan? Juan is gone? Okay.
Yes, teacher. Yeah, I'm here.
Oh. Well, recite.
January, February.
Uh-huh.
Sorry. January, February, May,
What?
March,
Mm-hmm.
May, April.
Why? Come on,
June.
Juan. Come on. Come on.
Sorry, teacher. Sorry, January, February, March, April,
Uh-huh.
May,
Ah.
June.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Why?
Why? Because you're what? You're playing around. You're fooling around. You're fooling around. Okay. That's why. Okay. You have here listen and repeat. Okay.
Who?
Everybody, not you.
Oh, okay.
Birthday. Birthday. Break. Break. Calendar. Calendar. Holiday. Holiday. Month. Month. Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving.
Okay. So. Okay. Use birthday in a sentence, Paulo. When is your birthday?
My birthday is 30
It's on what? What month?
March.
Okay, so my birthday is on March
13.
March 15.
15.
Okay, say it. My birthday is on March 15.
My birthday is March 13.
Is on.
Okay, sorry. My birthday is on March 15.
Okay, July. When is your birthday?
My birthday is on November 25.
Okay, November. Okay, next, Monica. My birthday is on.
My birthday is last day of first month of the year,
What is that?
January 31.
Say it. My birthday is in January 31.
Yeah.
Don't let them guess. Okay, last day of the first month of the year. All right. Say it. When is your birthday? Monica, when is your birthday?
My birthday is January 31.
I am after the word on. On. My birthday is
On.
on.
It's on January 31.
Okay, good. Okay, Claudia, when is your birthday?
My baby is on May 12.
Oh, it's on May 12. Okay.
It's on May 12.
Okay. Juan, when is your birthday?
My birthday is 6 July.
Again?
My birthday is 6 July.
I'm after on. That is wrong. I'm after the usage of on.
My birthday is July 6.
Repeat.
My birthday is July 6.
Wrong.
My birthday is 6 July.
Wrong. I want you to use the word on.
My birthday.
Don't make a fool of it. Okay?
My birthday on July 6.
What verb to be will you use?
My birthday. My birthday.
I know you know it. You're just fooling around. My birthday is on.
It's on. My birthday is on July 6 July.
No.
My
Come on.
birthday.